Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable touch sensitivity on much higher level. It's been a very good option when you have a screen protection or you have some gloves on your hands. So go to the settings, search for the display here, scroll down, and there is a touch sensitivity. Yep, you can enable it to increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protection. Yep. In this case, you will have this option accidental touch protection, so you can protect your phone from accidental touch when it's in dark place such a pocket or the big bag. You can disable it or enable it. So that's all about the touch sensitivity. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey,